Hi explorers! Today we're learning about maps, how they help us find places, follow directions, and explore the world. A map is a picture of a place, like a town, country, or even your bedroom, drawn as if we're flying over it. There are different kinds of maps. Some show the whole world, others just one place. Some are fun, like treasure maps. Maps use compass points, north, south, east, and west. They help us know which way to go. Maps use pictures called symbols. A map key tells us what they mean, like a tree for a park or a cross for a hospital. Here's a world map. Look, Lucas is in Africa, Eva's in Asia, and Noah is all the way in Australia. You can use maps to find places near you, like your school, the park, or your friend's house. Maps help us explore. They show us where things are, which way to go, and what places look like from above. Can you answer the questions? Great job, explorers! Now you know how maps work. Keep looking, keep learning, and keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the learning.